admin login servlet. Yeah, admin login servlet. In order to make that happen, we are using this URL also, a log, and we are using a method post. And after that, in order to work with admin login servlet, first, obviously, we need to create DB connect, which we already did that. DB info completed, admin login DAO also completed. So admin login DAO, where is this admin login DAO? Just a second. Yeah, admin login DAO also completed. And by the way, of course, we created admin bean also. So up to here, we had covered in our yesterday's session. Now today, first things first, let us try to write our admin login servlet. And inside this admin login servlet, whatever the data which is entered by the user in admin login, we need to cross check whether that data, that username and password is actually matching with the, come on, is actually matching with the data which is present in the database. And if it is matching, we need to redirect our page to admin home.jsp. In admin home.jsp, I want to display something like welcome, Mr. Kishan, like admin name, first name, and then add product, view product, logout. In add product, we'll discuss in the next stage. So first, let us try to create admin login servlet. Shall we? Let's go. Let us try to create admin login servlet. Right click, go to new, select class ADMN, admin login servlet, admin login servlet, finish. And obviously this admin login servlet, it is supposed to extend HTTP servlet. Okay. And after that, we need to use protected protected void do get or do post. You need to help me do post. Why? Because we have given post here where in admin login, we have used post method. So obviously we need to use do post. And of course, let us go with at the rate override and parameterize the method HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet request, REQ, comma, HTTP servlet response, RES, and yeah, throws servlet exception, comma, IO exception. Now, basically, I need to call the method which is present here, admin login DAO. Go ahead, call the method check admin login method. We need to call check admin login method. So let me just try to create new. What is that? ADMIN 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 login DAO dot check admin login, and here request dot get parameter. And here I'm going to use one more here. Just let me try to keep it like this. Okay. And what is the return type for this? Admin bean. Return type is admin bean. Just let me go like admin bean. Okay. Now after that, if a bean equal to null, let me go like else block. Now here, request dot set attribute, I'm going to write message, and here invalid, INVR invalid login CREDNTIALS, invalid login credentials. After that, request dot get request dispatcher, and here I'm going to use admin login. I'm sending it back. Admin login.html. Admin login.html. I'm just sending it back. Of course, dot forward request response. Just like this. Else, first write the code. After that, we'll try to discuss about this. First write it. Now, did you remember we need to use a method to get the session, HTTP session. What is that method? Get session method. Okay. Request dot get session method. It is going to return a session, a CSS session, and which session HTTP session. Okay. Now I'm going to set the attribute CSS7 session dot set attribute. I'm going to write a bean, admin bean. And here I'm going to pass this object here. After that, yeah, same. Request dot get request dispatcher, but this time request dot get request dispatcher. But this time I'm going to forward that to admin home dot JSP. Admin home dot JSP. Now this code is incomplete. If you observe correctly, this code is incomplete. Could you please tell me at which line it is incomplete? Tell me the line number, please. In line number 16, it is incomplete. We need to here, we need to pass a name. Whatever the name which we have given. What is the name here? A name. Let me just try to go like a name. And here, a password. Just a second. Let me copy. Let me just try to use exactly the same. Okay. And of course, make sure to use that annotation, web servlet annotation. And what is the a log? We have given the URL as a log. Don't forget this annotation. Is the code visible? Otherwise, come front. Now, tell me one thing. Did you understand what is happening in these lines of code? What I'm doing first, I'm trying to create an object for my admin login DAO. With the help of object, I'm calling, what is the method? Check admin login method. And remember, if you observe, check admin login method. Of course, it is a parameterizer method, two parameters, both are of type string. What is the return type for this check admin login? Admin bean. It's a class object. Yes or no? And now that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm passing the parameters and return type is admin bean. If now, guys, listen to me very clearly. If username and password is matching with this query, then obviously I'll be able to get the data. You know that, yes? And that data, I'm passing that data into my bean object, and I'm returning the same bean object. So if username and password is correct, I repeat, if username and password is correct, I will be able to get an admin bean object. But if it is not correct, previously I'm assigning the to null. Am I clear with that? So coming here, if this bean value is equal to null, what do you mean by that? Username and password is not matching, invalid. Hey, come on, guys. I know you are coding, but kindly please try to help me with this. Yes or no? So it is invalid. If it is not equal to null, obviously some data is there. And then what I'm doing, I'm trying to create a session object by calling a method. What is the method I'm calling? Get session. With the help of get session method, I'm able to get my HTTP session and I am setting the attribute. You know that we will be able to set the attribute on three objects. Please tell me what are those? Servlet context, HTTP servlet request, and HTTP session. Now I'm trying to set the attribute on my session object. Session object. Okay, guys, please answer me this question. For example, I set the attribute on servlet context. Listen, I set the attribute on servlet context. In JSP, I want to get that attribute. What is the implicit object available for servlet context in JSP? I'm impressed. Application. What is the implicit object available for HTTP servlet request? Request. Request. The implicit object available for HTTP session is session. The object name itself is session. So in JSP, I need to get the attribute. Okay, what is the code? Tell me. Session dot get attribute. And what is that attribute returning? I mean, of course, I'm going to use this same name. Come on, guys. I told you, consider this as a key, and this is the value. Now I'm going to give the name key. What is the key? ABN. What it is actually returning? Admin object. In that admin object, I'll be having the entire data. Hey, come on here, yes or no? This entire data is actually present in my admin bean object. That object I'm able to get here, and I'm passing the same object to admin home.jsp. How awesome this concept is. You already know this. Same concept we use it for HTTP servlet request and servlet context also. Same scenario. So now you tell me, after this, which page we need to create? I'm sorry, admin home.jsp. Let's go. Create. Where we need to create the JSP inside a web app. Right click on web app, go to JSP, and please make sure to give exactly the same name, by the way. Admin ADM and admin home.jsp. Whatever the name you have given in the servlet, please make sure to give exactly the same name. Java is case sensitive. You know that. Okay. Now in admin home.jsp, yeah, let's go create. Let me first try to CNT a center tag. And after that, I'm going to use something like H1. Okay, H1. Now inside this, let me use my scriptlet tag. You remember scriptlet tag, right? Inside scriptlet tag, we can write any valid Java code. SESSON session, of course, session dot get attribute. What is the attribute name I have used? A bean, and it is going to return admin bean object equal to a bean belongs to admin bean, of course. So now here out dot println, here I'm just going to use WLCOME welcome Mr. plus a bean dot get first name. Okay, and just let me try to use two break statements like this, just like this. Now we need to write our, according to the layout, we need to write our anchor tags: add product, view product, log out. Let's go. Let's try to create anchor tag, and here let me just try to close it. Add product, add product, and two break statements. Add product, view products, view product, and what is the next one? Logout. We need to go with the logout, logout. So here, let me just try to use href add product. If we gave a click on add product, we need to go to add product.html. Okay, add product, add product.html, and here let me just try to go like view. I'm just trying to write view one, just like this. And obviously for logout also, I'm going to write OUT, logout, just like that. After writing up to here, please check whether your project is working fine or not. So let me open my database. System manager, select star from admin. What is the username here? Admin. Password is NIT. You know what? Here I'm going to write, yeah, one more time. What is that? Just a second. Set line size. Let me go like 200 now. Okay, username is admin, password is NIT. Okay, let's see up to here, is it working properly or not? I click run as Java application, sorry, run on server. Okay, already my Tomcat is running, so let me just try to go to C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0, bin, Tomcat 9W. Yeah, yes. and it's already started. So let me stop it. Stopped. Okay. Close. Now one more time. Right click, run on server. Yeah, my server is running. Online electronic portal, admin login. Admin password is NIT, right? Wait, I'm able to see the password. No. Where is this admin login.html? Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's a small typo. One more time, please. Let me stop the server. I want to execute one more time. Right click, run on server. Admin login, admin, password, NIT. But yeah, just refresh. It's already there. The instance is already present in the server. So just refresh enough. And login. Welcome, Mr. Kishan. Add product, view product, logout. Up to here, is it complete for everyone? Server is not running. Why? You don't know. Come on, let's figure it out. Come up, come up, come up, come up. What's the problem? Wait. Where is the method? Form action, you need to write a method now. Where is the method? Please cross check that. Typo, just typing error. That's it. Please check with that. Is it done? So up to here, if anyone wants to take a snap, feel free to take a snap right now. This is part one. We just completed part one. Feel free. Web.xml. After that, index.html. After that, admin login.html, db info, db connect, admin bean, admin bean, admin login DAO, admin login servlet, and admin home.jsp. Okay. Part one is done. How many of you completed up to here? Raise your hands, please. But very few. You need more time? admin login servlet. Please check. No problem. Cross check. No issues. Oh, here this is capital. Yeah, Wally. Good job. Good eye. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hmm. Tell me. What? You are having a problem with previous project. That previous project is also present in the server, right? So that is the reason we are getting that. Guys, 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. In order to get this output correctly, lot of coding should be working properly. If you are doing any mistake in bean class or else login DAO or else servlet or else HTML, you'll not be able to get this. The problem may be present in any one of these files. So please cross check that. Import. See, here. What is that? Admin home.jsp. Here, import. Why did it not? Control space. Save it. Use the shortcut. Use the shortcut. Nana, sometimes you may get an error here. Sometimes you may get an error here. The reason why you will be getting an error here because you did not use an import statement. I did not write this. Automatically it got generated. Why? Because I'm using shortcut. If you are writing ADMINBEAN like this, it will not be imported. So use shortcut, control space. Hmm. Come, 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 come. Holidays completed? Completed. Come up, come up, come up. Ah, what? What? What is the password? Username. Same. Why password is visible? Online students, people who completed, if possible, kindly please try to send me in the chat. Give me a message in the chat. Give me a message in the chat. What? What is the username? Password. One. Only 8 people completed. Online students. If you send me a message, then only I'll be able to understand. Otherwise, I will not. I cannot go forward. Please send me a message. Okay, guys, tell me. Time up. How many have you done? Raise your hands. Hey, what about others, Ra? Why? What's the problem? What is the problem? Come on, come. What's the problem? A simple code. Why you are unable to get it? What happened? What happened? Hey, wait. Uh, Wait. Hold on. Guys, boys, girls, please cross check admin login.html. Yesterday, I did not write this double quotes. Just now, today I edited it. Today I edited it. Please cross check this line number 13. Please cross check line number 13. Did you write it correctly? Please cross check line number 13. After writing that line number 13 correctly, it is a double quotes. Okay. Name equal to. Where is that equal to? Where is that equal to? Okay. After cross checking that line number 13 correctly, refresh your browser. Please refresh your browser and then execute. Whenever you are executing, you will be getting the data, right? Whenever you are running your project, refresh, refresh your browser and then give a click on admin login. What is that? Password NIT login. So a log. Why you are going with admin login.html? Open your database. What is username? Capital A, NIT, capital A. Let me go for one more time. Refresh. Okay. Admin. Okay. Password is NIT. Let's see. Login. Okay. Coming here. You did not give the parameters correctly. Admin login DAO, username and password. Okay. You set the username. Where is the password? I'm going to set it. You write the code correctly. Write the code correctly. Did you please check this? Here, buddy. What's your name? Pranshu. Check this line. You did not write this line. Check that correctly. Ah, what happened? Guys, whenever you are dealing with admin login servlet, always please make sure to use this annotation so that you will be able to understand if you did anything wrong. Use an wait, what is the wrong? What is mistake here? No, what is the mistake? Use annotation. Why we are getting an error? P should be capital letter. Case sensitive. Case sensitive. All right. People who completed, guys, I want you to kindly please note down this second layout right now. Go ahead in your notes. This is the second layout. First, write the layout, please. First, write the layout. Write the layout. Write the layout in your notes. Little bit fast. Done. You know what? Whenever you're writing this layout only, I believe you're getting an idea. So tell me first, right now, up to here, I guess up to here, everyone completed. So if I gave a click on add product, where is this add product? Now I need to go to add product dot html. So obviously we need to create add product dot html. Let's go. HTML, right click on web app, go to new, select HTML file, and here add product.html, give a click on next and finish. Okay, I got my HTML. So first things first, let me, okay, add product.html. So first, let me try to go with CNT as center tag. Okay, right. Insert this. I just want to go like H1. Okay. Now, according to this layout, add product.html. So, you know what? I just want to write a small uh, u add products, add products. Let me just try to keep it like this. And two break statements after that, form action. Okay. We'll write that form action in a couple of minutes. P code first, P code code input type equal to text. Okay, name equal to p name, just like this, p name. After that, two, three, four, five. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five. But one, two, three, four, five. So one, two, three, four, five. Five is enough. P code, P name, P name, I mean product name, P company, COMPANY, P company. After that, P price, PRIC, product price. After that, P quantity, QTY, quantity. Okay, same I'm using here. This is P code, P code. This is P name. This is P company. This is P price. This is P quantity. You know what? Instead of P code, let me try to write PRODUCT, product code. Yeah, that make more sense. Product code. Let me just try to write like this. Product code, product name, product company, product price, product quantity. Okay. QUANTITY. Product quantity. Code, P name, P company, P price, P quantity. After that, input type, input type equal to submit. Yeah, submit. Value equal to add product. Just add product. Add product, just like this. And coming to form action, let me use form action APS, I mean to say add product servlet, and method, obviously I'll be using post. So if I gave a click here, add product, yep, I'll be able to get something like this. Product code, product name, product company, product price, product quantity, and here I should be getting add product. Please check up to here. So add product is done. Now I need to create product bean. Okay, product bean class. Okay, I'm going to create product bean in a couple of minutes. First, try to complete this. How many of you completed add product.html? Okay, I'm impressed. So let's try to create product bean. So here, according to this layout, if we gave a click on add product, obviously this will be redirected to add product servlet. But you know this, before creating this servlet, let us try to create product bean and then come on, DAO, add product DAO. Why? Because in add product servlet, we will be calling the method which is present in add product DAO. Yes or no? So let's go. Let's try to create product bean. Okay, right click, go to new, select class, PRODUCT product BEAN product bean. You will click on finish. And okay, I got my product bean. Now here, let me DESC PRODUCT product. Okay, P code, these are the columns available here. P code, P name, P company, P price, P quantity. String, all are string, yeah, all are varchar 2 only. All here are varchar 2. So string P code, hang on, P code, comma, P name, comma, P company, PCOMPANY company. After that, P price, PPRIC, P price, P quantity, PQTY quantity. And you know that product bean. So PRIVATE private variables. All these are private variables. Now just let me try to generate setters and getters here. Select all, generate. Okay, cool. Let me just try to implement serializable and yeah, one public constructor, public a product being just like this. Enough. Go ahead. By this time, you should be able to write the code by your own. I believe you remember how to create a Pojo class. Four properties are there. First one, your class should implement serializable. Second one, all the variables should be declared as private. Third one, please use public setters and getters methods. Finally, last one but not least, that is you need to have a public default constructor so that you will be able to create an object. All the four done. So we created our product bean. Now we need to deal with add product DAO class. Let's create add product DAO. Okay, new class add product add product DAO. Finish. So inside this, I'm going to write a method public void int. I want to go with int. Public int insert product, and let me make this as a parameterized method pro product bean. Okay, pb, just like this. Now here int rowcont row count equal to 0, return row count, return row count. After that, yeah, we know the process. Try catch exception exception e, and inside this try block, let me try to call db connect dot connect method. Its return type is con, obviously connection object. Now I'll be using my prepared statement con dot prepare statement. Okay, please tell me the query, guys. Insert into insert into. Tell me the query. Insert into product, product values. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five. How many question marks I need to use? One, two, three, four, five. Okay. After that, equal to PSTMT belongs to pad statement. Okay. Now, obviously, we need to set the values. PSTMT dot set string, first one. Okay. Here, I'm going to use pb dot get p code, product code, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is product code. After that, product name, get p name. After that, product company, get p company. After that, product price, p price. Okay. And finally, p quantity. Yeah, just okay. Now I set all the values. Please cross check your question marks with your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is fine. Now we just need to execute. Yeah, sure. Let me just try to execute stmt dot execute update. And obviously it's going to return me an int value. And here e dot, sorry, e dot print stat trace method, return row count. Now I'm going to call this method in add product servlet. Go ahead. How many of you completed this add product DO? 2 more minutes. Online students, if completed, kindly please try to message me in the chat, guys. Only 2 to 3 people are responding in the chat. Otherwise, I will not be able to know that. So please cross check and do let me know. Done. Okay. Now let us try to create our servlet. What is that? Add product servlet. Let's go. Right click here. Okay. Go to class. Product add product servlet. Okay. So servlet. First things first. Let me try to write extends HTTP servlet and protectd protected void do post. Make sure to write this overriding annotation so that if you're having any errors, you'll be able to know that. Okay. HTTP servlet request req, comma, HTTP servlet response res throws servlet exception, comma, IO exception. Okay. Now I'm going to call request dot get session, and I'm going to give the parameter as false so that if already a session is available, no need to create a new session. Same session, I'm going to use it. Okay. HTTP session SCSS7 session, just like that. Now, if session equal to null, if session equal to null, directly I'm going to forward to get request dispatcher admin login login dot html dot forward request response. And if session is not there, I'm directly forwarding to admin login dot html. Else, okay, means session is there. Now, in this particular scenario, let me try to create an object for product bean, product bean, okay, equal to pb belongs to product bean. Now, I will set the values here. I want to set the values. Yeah, sure. pb dot set p code request dot get parameter, something like this. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Set p code, set p name, set p company, set p price, set p quantity. And here request dot get parameter, request dot get parameter, request dot get parameter, request dot get parameter, get parameter. P code, P name, P company, P price, P code, P name, P company, P price, and P quantity. Yes. Now, obviously, here what I need to do, what are the names which I used here? P code. You know what? Let me just try to get it like this. Okay. P code, P name, P company, exactly the same. P price, and finally, P quantity. Okay. I am able to set the names. Now, after setting these names in the bean, now I'm going to call this method. So here, new, I'm creating an object dot insert product bean equal to, let me go like int rowcount row count. Now here, if row count is equal to 0, If it is, you know what? Let me just try to go like, okay, equal to 0. Just let me try to throw an exception, new, throw, sorry, throw, new, runtime exception, uh, just a small message, products, not product data, not inserted, product data, not inserted, inserted, else, else. I'm going to set the attribute request dot set attribute here. Let me just try to go like message and product product details, product inserted successfully, inserted, inserted successfully. Okay, products inserted successfully. Now a request dot get request dispatcher, and I need to forward that to add product dot JSP, add product, add product dot JSP dot forward request response. But same code we already wrote it previously also. It's not a new code. Same code. Most of these lines are in core Java only. So now we need to create JSP. What is that JSP name? Add product.jsp. Let us try to create that add product.jsp new JSP file. Add product.jsp. Give a click on next and finish. Okay, JSP got created. CNT as center tag. Uh, Let me just try to use H1. Okay. Now inside this, I'm gonna use my scriptlet tag, please. I want to get that admin name also. So session dot get attribute. What is the name I have given for admin? Abin. Abin. So same I'm going to use here, admin bean, okay, equal to a bean belongs to admin. Okay. Now I'll be trying to use my request object to get this attribute here. Request dot get attribute. What is the name? I just gave something like message, and its return type is basically string, equal to string. Just I'm going to write data just like that. Now I want to print out dot println, out dot println. Okay. All right. Now WLCOME welcome Mr. plus a bean dot get first name. Yeah, two break statements, please. Okay, two break statements, and now here out dot println. Just I'm trying to print message. What is that? Not message, data. I'm just trying to print data. BR and BR. And after this, actually, I want to keep all these three one more time here. Okay, just like this. So now let me just try to execute my project. Right click. Oh, save it. I saved everything. Take a minute time, just a minute, guys. Let me just try to check whether everything is working properly or not. By the way, there is no data present in my products. SELECT select star from PRODUCT product table. No rows are there. Absolutely no rows are there. So admin login, admin and password, NIT, login, add product, product code P101, product watch, product company Samsung, product price something like 50,000, 50,000, product quantity 5, add product. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, add. Oh, we did not use our here. I did not give this. Sorry, my mistake. Uh, Web servlet, and here slash APS. Okay. One more time. Right click, run as run on server. Okay. Let me just try to refresh. If any instances are present in my server, it will be refreshed. Refresh. Admin login, admin password, NIT login, add product, on not one, watch, Samsung, price, something like T1000, product quantity 5. Let's find out. Add product 3, 2, 1, enter. Product inserted successfully. Now let me just try to check with that. Is my data inserted? Of course it got inserted. Please carry on. This is add product.jsp. Okay, up to today, whatever the lines of code which we have written, I just want to show it for once. Today we started with admin login servlet. Yes, tell me. Today we started with admin login servlet. Feel free if you want, if anyone wants to take a pick, please go ahead. Admin login DO. Yeah. Today we started with admin login servlet first. After that, online students, if anyone wants to take a pic, please take with that. Yeah, Ritesh, you can use it. No issues. I'm using like this. Feel free to use and do let me know. Admin home.jsp. After that, add product.html. After that, product bean. Product bean. After that, add product DAO. After that, add product servlet. And finally, add product.jsp. So these are all the pages which we have written today. One, no, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 pages we completed by today. And part two is also done. Tomorrow we are going to deal with part three. That's very interesting. Part three tomorrow. All right. So you know this. Before coming to tomorrow's class, make sure to work with all these concepts. That is your task. I guess you are understanding my code. Please tell me, only you are doing spelling mistakes. The only thing is spelling mistakes, but you are able to understand the code now? Enough. Enough, enough. That's what I want. Online students, I need your opinion here. Please respond to me in the chat for me. Please respond to the chat for me, guys. Online students. Come on, respond, respond. All right, then. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Online students, we'll be continuing your sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys.